My name is Catherine. Currently I'm taking part in the Drawing and Painting Advanced Evening Leisure class. With retirement coming up, I thought there'll be time to do things that I'm really interested in. The college at Annie's Land is a great facility, lovely new modern building, basically off Great Western Road, so it's really accessible. The class is actually a good number. There's plenty of opportunity each week for the tutor to have lots of one-on-one. Everyone is very welcoming. I just find it's a great way of relaxing as well. I've actually been kind of toying with the idea of maybe embarking on another couple of courses at the college, so I would certainly recommend it.
I'm Alistair and I'm in the guitar restoration course. I've been playing guitar since I was 14 and I've always loved buying old guitars and try to fix them up. The course teaches me how to do that properly. I started in the beginner's course and I'm now in the advanced level. I've learned loads and my goal is to be able to build a guitar from scratch. The facilities are fantastic. There's lots of specialist guitar restoration equipment that we get hands-on experience with. The tutors are really flexible too, giving us lots of one-to-one teaching. And it's really easy to get here on public transport too.